Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have got some exciting news for you today. We have a new addition to the family. Jilly has a big brother. Oh, have I told you yet what his name is? Can you guess? Maybe I'll tell you at the end of the video what we've called him. We're going to do the NC500 this year. Quite clean seats. Not really anything of interest. At least we have door handles. And we have a whole gear stick.
Yeah.
Unlike Jilly. Okay.
Jilly's got a gear stick now.
She has got a gear stick now. Inside, this has already been converted, but we're gonna redo it. A bit stiff. So current conversion.
It came actually with a cup of coffee, and you wouldn't believe it's still hot. Look, it's amazing.
Take this whole kitchen out. Maybe use some of the cupboards, reuse them, but we want to move it to this wall. We want to have the seating in this corner, like an L shape. Then we want to have a shower unit here, and then a little cupboard for the bed. But yeah, I'm going to take everything out, and then we're going to try and reuse as much as we can to try and save as much money. Because if you follow the channel, you know we don't like to spend money if we don't have to. So
It's not that at all, is it? It's with skin.
No. It's got a, what do you call that? An air vent with a fly screen on it, which is quite good. And this is
Actually, a diesel heater. So we were in the process of putting one in Jilly, but we have one here. So yeah, so we can run some heat with this ducting to the front of the van.
See, it's already got these little.
We were going to put these in anyway because it's nice to have some sort of air flow when you are in the bed in the summer. When we bought the van, we were aware of some mechanical issues. It's only got a month's MOT, and also it has the prop shaft was very bad. It vibrated like anything. So we had to change that, or we're in the process of changing that. There's also some issues with the front suspension that we need to sort out. So I've got like a load of stuff coming to be delivered, and I've got like a couple of weekends, at least maybe 3 or 4 weekends, just getting it ready for the MOT. When I was driving back, it lost power. So either the turbo might need replacing, or there might be an issue with some of the hoses feeding the turbo, or maybe even the turbo actuator. So I don't know what it is yet, but once we get the prop shaft back on, we can have a good chance of testing that. I think that was causing the vibrations, but also one of the universal joints down here somewhere was also broken. So this has just arrived today, a nice shiny one part. So there's actually 3 parts of the prop shaft, and we've got another part here so we've got the 2 parts. We've got this part, and these actually are serviceable now because on here these are not serviceable, but basically on this was no longer tight, and it was a lot of movement in it. In fact, even that has a little bit of movement in it. So, but this is going to be replaced.
So, have you guessed what we might have called him? Okay, we have called him.
You've called him.
I've called him Billy. We got Jilly and Billy at the moment because he's a Billy Bruiser. He's a big boy, so that's why I've named him Billy. But also, he might go and meet his Billy goats. When we go to Wales, yeah. When we go to Wales. So we've got lots of, we need to get Billy going, you know, get him up to how we want him so we can start going away again on our adventures. We've got quite a few trips planned, like long trips. So we've got Cornwall, we've got Wales, we've got Lake District, and we've got NC500. I don't know if we're going to be able to do all of them this year yet, but
We'll do some of them.
Yeah, but keep watching and follow on and subscribe to see how we get on with the rebuild.
And also the trips as well,
Yes.
and the adventures to come.
Yes.
So thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video, which might be, I mean, I still haven't finished videos from last year. I don't know if I'll ever finish them, but we'll see.
Yeah, there's not much time at the moment, is there?
We've got more things to do and less time to do it.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.